Namaste, hello friends. In this video, I am going to show you how to make marble texture paper using poster paints. Beautiful patterned designs can be made with this technique. Here what you are seeing is, after making one patterned paper, I will not throw the paints away from the box. Instead, I will keep more white paper. I'll create more patterns. I will use the same paint that is there in the box and create more patterned paper. The colors may be the same, but the patterns that appear will be different. After dipping these papers in the paint, I will let it dry. So we have come to the end of this video. I have shown you two examples, and I will be posting more videos on this marble texture designs. Until then, bye.